couple of things that you need to understand is that this gentleman, question number one, he makes 1,800. He already makes that money, whether he sells a car or not. Okay, that's his monthly wage. Right, then plus he makes commission. Depending on how many cars he sells, they give him a certain percentage. And that's what the problem is about. So let me leave that, right, and let me work it over here. So we need to figure out this part right here. That's the part we need to figure out. The average, so he gets a 25.5% commission on the gross profit of each car. So the average gross profit on each car is 1,200. Last month he sold 9, so let's just figure that out. So 1,200 times 9 means that the commission is going to be taken from here. So the gross profit for the 9 cars that he sold is 10,800. So commission equals the percent times the sales. In this case, commission is what we're trying to find. The percent here is 25.5, which we're going to write 0.2255, times the sales is 10,800. Right? So he's going to take a little chunk of the 10,800, and that's going to supplement his monthly wage, because 1,800 per month is definitely not enough for you to make a living. So 0.255 times 10,800. So from the sales that he did, from this amount, he's going to take home 2,754. So that's his commission. So I'm going to put that value over here. So his take-home check is 1,800 plus that commission. So he takes home 4,554. Okay, which makes it a little bit better. 2 is the same thing. This guy works at a furniture store. His weekly salary is $350, and again, very little. But the furniture store gives him a little commission. Every time he sells something, from that sale, they'll give him 6.25. So we got to figure that out. So the commission is what we're trying to find. The percent that they give him is 6.25%, which I'm not going to write it as a percent, but rather I'll take and write it as a decimal right away. And the amount of sales that he did was 3,750. So he sold this much furniture last week. So the store is nice enough to give him a percent, part of that sale, to supplement his weekly income. So 6.25%. What is 6.25% of 3,750? That's what we calculated, 0.0625. That's going to give us $234.38. So, and that's going to help him, right? Plus the 350. 350 plus 234.38 makes it a little bit better for him to survive, especially if he has a family. Okay, so that's how much he takes home per week. All right, so that's pretty much it. You have commission, percent, and sales. Obviously 3 variables, and you're going to play with that and find whichever one is the unknown depending on the problem. Veronica works at a future shop and earns $10.50 plus 4. Again, same thing, $4.35. Last week she worked 40 hours. So just by showing up, okay, let's not even talk about commission yet. So she worked 40 hours times, and she gets paid $10.50 an hour. Sorry, $10.50 an hour. 40 times 10.50. So she's going to take $420, okay, a week, plus a little bit of whatever her sales are, right, to complement that. So commission is percent times sales. Last week she sold, her total sales was $2,050. The store is going to give her a little bit of that $2,050. How much? 4.35, which we're going to change to 0.0435. And that's going to tell us how much she takes. So 0.0435 times 2050 equals, so out of that amount, right, the store gives her $89.18, if my math is correct. Yeah, about right. So the commission that she gets or she earned is 89.18, and the total she's going to take home is the 420 that she made, right? Because she get paid by the hour plus $89.18 from her sales. She takes home $509.18. And to be honest, I don't like the fact that this is not. It's definitely not equal to this. Forget it. Just don't write. Because the way I wrote it here, I wrote that 40 times 1050 equals to 420 plus 89.18, which equals 509.18, and that's definitely not true, right? So just be careful. Okay, what I should have done is write it like this: 40 times, 1050, which equals 420, and then make another equation: 420 plus 89.18 equals 509.18. That's what I should have written instead of this equals to this, which is equals to this, which is not a true statement. Let me just take that out. William earns straight commission, so this guy just makes commission. If he sells a house, he makes money. If he doesn't sell a house, he doesn't make money. That's what straight commission is. He doesn't get paid any amount of money per hour. We know his commission, 3.9. Last month he made $29,135.04. How much was the value of the house he sold? So we did this in class. So commission, percent times sales. The commission that he earned, how much did he make? He took home $29,135.04. The interest rate was 3.9 or 0.039. And this is what we're looking for. What was the value of the house that he sold? What was the sale? Right? That's what we're looking at. So S equals, we're going to divide both sides by 0.039. And we're going to get, so we're going to divide 29,135.04 divided by 0.039. And that, according to what I have, is 747,052.31. So that's the value. That's how much in sales he made in order to take $29,135.04 home. Which is not bad at all. 5. Again, another person who earns straight commission. Basically doesn't get any money per hour, just straight commission. Last month she sold, didn't we do this from? Okay, last month she sold 341 cell phone contracts worth $38,192. From that, she took $1,909.60. So what is the percentage here? Well, so again, commission, let's see what we have. We know what she took home, $1,909.60. The interest rate, right, the percent we don't know, so that's our variable. And well, you can leave it as P. And how much were her sales? Well, we know that, it's 38,192. So, divide both sides by 38,192. Divide this side by 38,192. And our percent that she got paid, the interest rate that she gets paid, let's divide that, 1909.6 divided by 38,192 equals 0.05, and that's in decimal, so I'm going to multiply that by 100. So this store gives her 5% interest rate. Not interest rate, commission rate. Right, so whatever she sells, she always gets 5%. Brian's a salesman. He earns straight commission again, 4%. Last month his sales was 82. What was his gross income? So how much did he take home after selling this much in computer parts? So percent times the sale. This is what we're interested in. So how much he took home, the commission. The percent that he was paid was 0.4, so he's going to take 4% out of all this amount. And 0.04 times 82968 equals, so he took home 3,318.72. 7. Real estate agent sold a house. She got paid 1.25%. How much did she make for the sale? So commission, that's what we're looking for. Percent times the sale. The percent was 0.0125. The value of the house, the sale, was $315,000. How much does she take home? 0.0125 times 315,000. She took home $3,937.50. 1 second. So sorry, my phone. 8, don't matter. Selling a set of 9s, he makes 9.5 commission on all sales. What would his commission be on the sale of? Again, very straightforward. Commission is 0.095. His sales were 3,250. So how much of that does the company give him? 0.095 times 3,250. Wow, $308.75. That's his commission. Okay. 9. Okay, so again, this one goes back to I think question number 1 and 2 of the back page. She sells beauty supplies and she makes $450 a week. So that's guaranteed. She makes $450, $150 a week, plus a little extra, and that's the commission. All right. So during one particular week, she sold $895 worth of beauty supplies. So she's gonna take 7%, 7.25% of that. So let's figure that out. Commission is 0.0725 times the sales. In this case, was 895. So 0.0725 times 895. So from her sales of $895, the store is gonna give her employer is gonna give her $62.89. Okay. So how much commission does she make for that week? There's your answer. $64.89. $64.89. How much money does she earn before taxes that week? So for the whole week, she's gonna make the $450 that she gets paid, right? It's her weekly salary plus the $64 in commission. Think of it, right? And then 450 plus 64.89 gives us 514. So she's gonna take home 514.89. Well, before I take away the taxes, but this is what it's gonna be based on. 10. Roberta makes $9. Again, same type of question. Makes $9 an hour. She works in the 12.5% commission. So that particular day she works for 8 hours. So let's figure out what she made just by the hour. So 9 per hour times an 8-hour shift means for that day she's taking home at least $72, right? So for that day she's gonna take $72 because she worked 8 hours and she got paid $9 an hour plus her commission. Did she do any sales? Yeah. A little bit of sales here. So her commission is commission, percent times sales. Commission, the percent, she get 12.5% or 0.125. The amount of sales she did was 380. So let's see how much extra she's going to take home. So 0.125 times 380 equals $47.50. So along with her $72 that she made for by the hour, she's also going to get a little bit more. $47.50, which is going to give us a grand total of plus 72. So for that particular day, she makes $119.50. Real estate agent, he earned a commission. So again, percent times sales, he earned a commission. So this is how much he took home, right? He sold the house, he got a little percentage out of it, and the percentage that he earned was $6,875. The interest rate that the owner of the house paid him was 0.025, and the question is asking is what was the price of the house that he sold in order to make 6,875 at a 0.025 rate. So S, the sale price of the house is are unknown, so we're going to divide both sides by this. That goes away. Price of the house, S, 6,875 divided by 0.025. Price of the house was $275,000 or apartment. So he sold the house. The real estate agent worked on this house, which was valued at $275,000, sold it, and that's a commission, right? Putting the pictures on the internet, the signs that you usually see outside, you know, house for sale, apartment for sale. He took care of all that. For his trouble, he earned $6,875. So house value was this much. Salesperson. Okay, so again, this person made $890.50. The amount he sold was $6,850. So, question is, what percent was the commission rate? 5%, 6% of his sales, etc. Right? So let's fill in. Commission. The amount he took home was $890.50. The percent here is what I'm trying to figure out. The amount of sales that he did, he sold $6,850 worth of goods. So, what percent is $890.50 from $6,850? So, divide both sides by $6,850. Divide both sides by $6,850. And P equals, no idea, 890.50 divided by 6,850 equals, so P equals 0.13 or 13%. So the salesperson is given 13% from all the sales that he makes. Okay. Hoping that helped.